Okay, wait, why does this look this expensive? Not gonna lie, I thought this was designer at first. This is kinda insane. The quality feels so premium. Honestly, this instantly makes every outfit look expensive. I'm obsessed. If you've been looking for that quiet luxury look, this is it.
Okay, real talk. I made a full UGC ad with my own AI influencer, and it cost me nothing. In 10 minutes. No agency, no actor, no budget. Let me show you exactly how. All right, so first thing you need is a photo of your product. Could be perfume, clothes, beauty products. The AI is gonna build the whole ad around it. I'm using this perfume pic just to show you how it works. You also need a photo of an AI influencer, a real person, your own avatar, whatever you want. One thing though, don't use celebrity photos. Privacy rules will straight up block it. Next, you'll see a master prompt on screen. This is a really key prompt I built after a ton of trial and error. I give you link it in the description below. Here's what you do. Copy it completely. Make sure you grab the whole thing because it's pretty long. Now head over to the ChatGPT and paste that whole prompt in. Next, hit the plus icon at the bottom, go to Add Photos and Files, and upload both images, your product photo and your influencer photo, and watch the magic happen. All your prompts are going to start rolling in one after another. You'll see them come in as separate parts, part 1, part 2, and so on, all the way up to 5 total. Now let's move to the next step, using Google Omni to turn those JSON prompts into actual video scenes. To get there, go to Google Flow. Click the Google Labs link first. Once you log in with your Gmail, you'll land on an interface that looks like this. At the bottom of the Flow interface, you'll see a New Project button. Click that, and you're in. Once you're in the New Project screen, click the plus icon at the bottom first. Then go to Upload Media and upload both your product photo and your influencer photo. Watch. Both images are uploading now, and boom, both are in. Now tap the settings icon at the bottom. Make sure video is selected. Then ingredients is selected for aspect ratio. If you're going for a reel, pick 9:16. I'm doing 16:9 since this is for YouTube. Now set output to 1x. After that, set model to Omni, and then pick duration whatever works for you. I'm doing 10 seconds for the demo, and you can see a 10-second video only runs you 15 credits. Head back to ChatGPT. Here are your 5 JSON prompts. Copy the first one. You'll see a small bracket where it starts. Copy from there all the way down to where that bracket closes. Then head back and paste it into the prompt box in Flow. Hit the plus icon again, select your product image, the perfume in our case, then click again to also grab your influencer photo. Scroll up a bit and take a close look at the prompt. You'll notice a section called Dialogue. That's the actual line your influencer is going to say in this scene. Read through it. If you want her to say something different, just select that text, delete it, and type in your own line. Once you're happy with the dialogue, hit the Generate icon at the bottom. This kicks off the first scene, and there it is. Scene 1 is done. Let me play it for you.
Why does this look more like art than a perfume?
That's actually insane. Look at that. Repeat the same process for all remaining scenes. Attach your influencer and product photos, then for each JSON prompt, find the bracket, copy from start to end, and paste it in. Check the dialogue, keep it or change it, then hit Generate. Do this for all 5 scenes. All right, all 5 scenes for our UGC ad are generated. Time to download one by one. Hover over a video, click the 3-dot more icon, go to download, and you'll see a 1080p upscaled option at the bottom. Click that, your video upscales, and the download starts. Repeat that for every single scene until you've got all 5. Just drop all 5 clips into any video editor, one after another in order. I'm using Premiere Pro here, but you can literally use any editor. Once it's done, your final UGC ad is ready to go. Let me play the final ad one more time.
Why does this look more like art than a perfume? Oh wow, that's not what I expected. It smells ridiculously expensive. I'm obsessed. Even the bottle feels like something you'd see in a designer penthouse. You know when a fragrance changes your whole vibe? Yeah, this is that one. Honestly, this feels like the kind of fragrance people remember you for. You need this.
So yeah, look how clean that came out. Pretty wild, right? Every video you generate is going to have a tiny Gemini watermark in the corner. But if you want it fully gone, here's how. Search 123 apps on Google. Click the first result, then look for the option that says Remove Logo from Video and click it. Hit Choose File and upload your video. Once it's in, you'll land on an interface like this. Just select the logo on screen. Watch. It disappears like magic. Hit the Apply button. Now if you hit play, the logo is completely gone. Once you're happy with it, hit the Export button at the top and you'll get a download at 720p. After processing, you'll see a Save button at the bottom. Click that to download the final video straight to your computer. And there it is, all done. That's literally it. 10 minutes, $0, your own AI influencer. Now go make yours and drop it in the comments. I want to see what you create. See you in the next one.